In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create task templates in Asana. Hi everyone! Today I'll show you how to create task templates in Asana so you can standardize repeatable work and move faster. We'll do this on a desktop or laptop, since the full set of options is easiest to access there. Start by logging into your Asana account, then open the specific project where you want these templates to live. Templates are project-specific, so make sure you're in the right place before you build them. Once the project is open, look to the top right corner and click the Workflow button. This opens tools that help you shape how tasks are created and managed. In the Workflow view, find the Intake section and click Task Types and Templates. This is where you'll either create a brand new task type to use as a template or refine an existing one for your team. If you want something new, click Add Task Type. Give your task type a clear, descriptive name so teammates instantly know when to use it. Next, choose the format that fits the work. Task for standard work items, milestone for key checkpoints you want to highlight on timelines, or approval when the primary action is to review and sign off. Picking the right format ensures Asana treats the item correctly in views and reports. Now configure the details that will save time every time someone uses the template. Adjust the fields your team needs, such as priority or effort, and set a default assignee if the work typically starts with a specific role. You can also add a due date if these tasks always follow a consistent timeline, or leave it blank if timing varies. Use the description to include instructions, links, or acceptance criteria, so no one has to guess what done looks like. Think of this section as your playbook. Clear guidance here reduces back and forth later. When everything looks good, click. Save to create the task type as a reusable template for this project. From now on, teammates can select it when adding a task, and all those defaults will populate automatically. If you want this to be the default option for new tasks in the project, open the three-dot menu next to the task type and choose Set Default. That way, most new tasks start with the right structure, and people only switch formats when they need something different. That's it. You've built a reliable foundation for consistent, repeatable work in Asana. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.